Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to set stock quantity for a product in Odoo. So setting stock quantity in this platform is essential for tracking how many units you have available for sale and avoiding overselling. So actually guys, first you will need to go with inventory, right? So we are talking about that model. All right, so now you all need to go to the products that you can find the top bar here, and then click on products inside it, and then you will need to check the product type. All right, so first click on that product that you want to update, and then make sure your product is a sortable product. Only sortable products can have stock quantities tracked. Okay, and then inside the product form, click on the inventory tab right here, and here you will see on-hand quantity, forecasted quantity, incoming and outgoing stock. Okay, so if you have real products, you can set the stock quality or quantity in that manual method. So you can just go with the operations inventory and just make the adjustments right there. So this is the operations, and go with physical inventory right here, and here where you can adjust, as I said. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.